Hello guys, what's up and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video I will be explaining the Car Show Partner event and any other partner events that you have in Monopoly Go. So let's get started. Currently, as you can see, none of the partner events is active, so I can't show you on my example. However, I have a few screenshots through which I will explain how these events work. As you can see, this is a screenshot which is sadly in low resolution. However, this is what will appear if a Car Show Partner event is active for you. Whenever you click on its icon, this will appear and you have the option of joining the event by clicking the Partner button. When you actually click that button, you will be able to choose any one of your friends, up to 4 of your friends, with which you can build and actually participate in the event. You have to help each other, get the rewards, get the milestones, and actually succeed in the event. For example, this is what your screen will look like. In this screenshot, there is one friend that is active for the Car Show Partner event, and there are 3 empty slots through which you can add any one of your friends to actually play the Car Show Partner event with. Now, if you want to actually remove any one of your Car Show partners, sadly, you cannot do it. There is no actual way to remove them, guys. The way you can change them is by waiting for the event to be over and for the next event to pick different partners, guys. Sadly, I cannot help you with removing them since it's not possible. However, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful and informative, and I will see you all in the next tutorial video. Goodbye.